Unveil the adrenaline-soaked world of EXO CARS, where budget meets velocity, transforming beat-up rides into stealthy speed demons. Hello, everyone! Are you craving high-speed thrills without burning a hole in your pocket? Imagine having a ride that not only outpaces Ferraris, but costs less than your buddy's beloved Honda Civic. Today, we're delving into the exhilarating realm of EXO CARS, a subculture dedicated to transforming beat-up junkers into speed demons that defy expectations. Stick around until the end of the video to explore the risks associated with these high-octane builds. Evolution of EXO CARS. To understand the evolution of EXO CARS, we must journey back to the origins of this exhilarating movement, the Lotus 7. This petite roadster, though lacking the flashy exteriors characteristic of modern EXO CARs, planted the seeds of a philosophy that resonates throughout the community today. Colin Chapman, the visionary behind Lotus, sculpted his cars with a singular goal: simplify, then add lightness. Instead of blindly cramming more horsepower into hefty vehicles, he believed that shedding weight could achieve superior results at a more accessible price point. Over the years, this philosophy has matured into the intricate exoskeleton builds we witness today. Picture a beat-up early 2000s sports car, be it a Miata, Integra, Civic, or the spirited 240SX, subjected to the transformative touch of power tools, sawzall, hammers, stripping away the entire body, doors, roof, and hood to expose the bare essentials. This marks the genesis of an EXO car, a raw and potent machine with a power-to-weight ratio that rivals high-end supercars. With the echoes of the Lotus 7 guiding their hands, builders embark on a journey that involves meticulous crafting, welding, and a dash of creativity. Aluminum tubing and a robust roll cage are woven into the frame, elevating the car from a relic to a lightweight powerhouse. The simplicity of the process belies the complexity of the result. A machine that can weigh over a whopping 1,000 pounds less than its stock owner, a testament to the dedication of those who seek to master the art of weight reduction. This method, born out of Chapman's philosophy, has evolved into a vibrant subculture where enthusiasts turn junk into gems, creating high-performance beasts that dance on the edge of raw power and engineered finesse. The EXO car journey is, in essence, a tribute to the timeless pursuit of speed, a testament to the belief that sometimes less is indeed more. Building the beast. Building an EXO car is not for the faint of heart. It's a laborious process that demands skill, dedication, and a touch of madness. Once the donor car has been stripped down to its skeletal frame, the real work begins. Enter the world of welding torches, where aluminum tubing and a robust roll cage come together like a symphony of precision. The result? A machine that not only boasts the aesthetics of a track-ready beast, but possesses the power-to-weight ratio to rival even the most formidable supercars. The transformation is both mechanical and artistic, a fusion of engineering prowess and the vision of the builder. As the process unfolds, it becomes apparent that an EXO car is more than just a stripped-down vehicle. It's a canvas for automotive expression. While the mainstream example, the Ariel Atom, may steal the spotlight, DIY kits like the Exoset open the doors for enthusiasts to unleash their creativity. The affordability of the Exoset, priced at around $8,000, allows builders to craft their dream machine with a construction time of approximately 100 hours. The final product is a lightweight, open-top two-seater that can be customized to suit a variety of driving preferences. From track cars to rugged off-roaders or even insane daily drivers, the EXO car beckons enthusiasts to step into a realm where they are not just drivers, but artists shaping the future of automotive performance. The Ariel Atom. At the zenith of the EXO car realm stands the illustrious Ariel Atom, a pre-built road-legal masterpiece that embodies the epitome of performance and engineering finesse. Sitting atop a custom chassis, this track-ready marvel is propelled by a turbocharged Honda K20 engine that gracefully delivers 320 horsepower to the rear wheels. However, beyond the impressive power figures lies the true spectacle, the Atom's astonishing 12-pound curb weight. To put this into perspective, it's lighter than your average household refrigerator. This remarkable lightweight construction, akin to a featherweight boxer in the automotive arena, allows the Atom to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 2.8 seconds, a feat that places it in the echelons of high-performance supercars. Yet, this crown jewel of EXO cars comes at a substantial cost, with a price tag hovering around the 80 grand mark for a new model. The investment, however, grants enthusiasts access to a vehicle that not only boasts impeccable fit and finish, but also stands as a testament to safety and road legality. The Ariel Atom, with its dazzling statistics and sleek design, holds a prominent position as the flagship of the EXO EXO car universe, a symbol of what is achievable when engineering brilliance and lightweight construction converge. Affordable EXO. Experience the EXO set. While the Ariel Atom may command attention as the top-tier EXO car, a more democratically priced option for those seeking an authentic EXO experience comes in the form of the EXO set. Developed by automotive, the EXO set is a Miata-based DIY kit that opens the doors for enthusiasts to embark on their EXO car journey without breaking the bank. Priced at around $8,000, the EXO set offers a lightweight tube chassis with laser-cut aluminum panels accompanied by a roll bar or full roll cage and a comprehensive hardware package. The true beauty of the EXO set lies not just in its affordability, but in its versatility, allowing builders to assemble a capable track car, a robust off-roader, or even an exhilarating daily driver. The construction process, spanning approximately 100 hours, involves integrating the kit with a donor 1990 to 2005 Miata, resulting in a final cost that can be kept under the 15 grand mark. The outcome is a 1,500-pound open-top two-seater that beckons enthusiasts to unleash their creativity. However, the true allure lies in the freedom to customize the EXO set further, whether it's swapping in a potent Honda motor, introducing forced induction, or even opting for a monstrous Miata V8 setup. The EXO set is a canvas for automotive expression, allowing enthusiasts to tailor their rides to their unique desires. Exoskeleton builds. For the hands-on enthusiast who craves more than a kit, the world of exoskeleton builds becomes a captivating DIY playground. Beyond pre-built options like the Ariel Atom and EXO set, there exists a subculture where passionate individuals take matters into their own hands, crafting unique and often quirky machines that embody their vision of automotive perfection. Fabrication shops like Crow Works in Alabama exemplify this spirit, producing some of the most intriguing exoskeleton builds seen online. Whether it's the Integra-based X-Tegra, the former Lexus's 350, or the cleverly nicknamed VMX-05, these builds are a testament to the diversity and creativity within the EXO car community. Many of these projects come to life over weekends, where enthusiasts armed with welding torches and a relentless passion for craftsmanship bring their visions to reality. This DIY ethos not only adds a layer of authenticity to the EXO car movement, but also fosters a sense of community among those who share a common love for pushing the boundaries of automotive design. Challenges and risks. As we immerse ourselves in the world of EXO cars, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges and risks inherent in this adrenaline-fueled pursuit. While the weight reduction process can lead to remarkable power-to-weight ratios, it introduces a set of challenges. Imperfect weight distribution with a heavy motor up front and minimal weight in the rear can impact the vehicle's balance, potentially making it feel imbalanced around corners. Additionally, the absence of aerodynamics, a sacrifice for shedding weight, can limit top speed, posing a practical challenge for those seeking well-rounded performance. Tragically, the pursuit of EXO car dreams has also seen its share of setbacks, with instances of poor welds and illegally registered builds leading to unfortunate accidents. The subculture, reminiscent of the risk-taking spirit found in the world of sport bikes, demands a level of caution and responsibility. It's not just a ride for the faint of heart. It's an ecosystem where the boundary between thrill and risk is razor thin. If you're drawn to the intense adrenaline-pumping culture of EXO cars, it's essential to proceed with eyes wide open and an understanding of the potential dangers that come with this unconventional automotive passion. Well, that's it for today's video. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.